मेरी मसूस का नाम था चिम्मी, और चिम्मी ने जो तोड़ा है मेरे को। तो गाइस वी आर एक्चुअली ऑन आवर वे। अभिषेक एंड वामिका ड्रॉपिंग अस टू द रोजेट एंड काफ़ी पास में, ये तो बहुत ही छोटी ट्रिप होगी, बट वी ऑल्सो पैक लाइक एज दो वी आर गोइंग फॉर पता नहीं कितने सालों के लिए। बट पीछे लगेज मैं आपको बाद में दिखाऊंगा।
कॉस्ट्यूम चेंजेस
हाँ वो एक्चुअली यही हुआ है एक्चुअली, क्योंकि थोड़ा बहुत अच्छा लोकेशन है तो शूट करना बनता है। सो दैट्स व्हाई वी डिसाइडेड कि भैया कपड़े वपड़े लेकर के जाओ।
When he said that, I was like, wait, bro.
Have you seen? You guys can see.
Yeah.
That is a lot of
लाइक वो
clothes.
सीट नीचे करनी पड़ी।
like it's like the back seat it's completely
Not even.
हाँ सिर्फ 2 दिन के लिए जा रहे हैं वो भी
What
within
are
Delhi।
you
और वैसे टेक्निकली अगर कुछ रह भी जाता है तो वापस भी आ सकते हैं घर, ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है, बट इट्स गोना बी फन। सो गाइस, रोहिणी एंड आई हैव रीच्ड द रोजेट एंड पूरी सेफ्टी के साथ दे हैव डन द फुल स्कैनिंग, सैनिटाइज्ड एवरीथिंग, दे आर मेकिंग श्योर दैट वी आर एब्सोल्युटली सेफ, एंड नाउ वी आर गोना गो अहेड एंड गेट आवरसेल्व्स चेक्ड इन। Guys, so we are finally inside our room, and let me just take you through this amazing room tour at the Rose. So guys, check out this room. Let me first show you. Yes, that is the washroom, and yes, right here is where you can take a shower. Yes, that is Abix, and यहाँ आप देख रहे हैं there's actually 2 sinks that are right in the room, over here and here, ताकि whenever we're getting ready, we're not in each other's face and we can get ready super quick. That is my छोटा मोटा लगेज, एंड यहाँ देखो भैया, आई डोंट नो कितने सालों के लिए रोहिणी आई हुई है। But speaking of बड़ा, look at the size of this bed, okay? It is huge, and this, I have never seen a bathtub inside a room. That is mad. This is a huge room, and along with that, this is a nice big area to just chill in. Oh, the comfort. This is actually called the garden view room here at the Rosette, guys. तो इसका मतलब ये है, yes, that it has a garden right next to it. That is a really huge room, and that is Rohini जो अपनी pictures देख रही है. Very nice. And also, guys, another interesting fact about the Rosette is that it comes with this iPad. नहीं, ये iPad आप घर नहीं लेकर के जा सकते. With this iPad, you can actually control pretty much everything in the room. So if you go into the home, you can see that it's got like the room control, TV, radio, messages, guest services, internet, सब कुछ, everything can be controlled through this iPad. Guys, so हमें बहुत ज़्यादा भूख भी लगी थी, so I have kept up with my diet and just ordered my eggs. And Rohini has decided to really like live it up, and she's ordered a spaghetti pasta. Very nice babe. I like it that somebody should be on vacation mode completely. थोड़ा सा लेट हो गए थे चेक इन करने के लिए, so पूरा from the outside होटल आपको दिखा नहीं पाए, so that will come tomorrow, but right now
Chinese. I love Chinese. Like, it's my favorite cuisine in the whole world.
let's have some Chinese here.
Interesting, na?
Why do you love Chinese so much?
I don't know. Maybe it's the spice. Maybe it's the flavors. But mind you, I like the Indian Chinese. Okay, there's a difference.
There's a big difference, guys. Oh, finally! मैंने कैमरा जरा लेट में उठाया, मगर ये कम से कम 10 मिनट का स्ट्रगल था।
और ये लो आपको सामने।
Oh my God! Expert, I tell you. We're starting out with some dim sums, and ये वाला जो try करा था ये wasabi on वाला है, that was actually very nice. This chicken sumai, and another one, forgot the name of. At Rosette, people are so sweet. रोहिणी को, as you know, ठंड कुछ ज़्यादा ही एक्स्ट्रा लगती है. So we were sitting over there at that point, and वहाँ पे because of the doors ना खूब सारी wind आई जा रही थी, and actually काफ़ी ज़्यादा सर्दी पड़ रही है. So they were so sweet. They shifted us, then they actually got us like a heater put over here. So that is incredibly sweet of them. And अब ज़रा चैन से खाना खा लेते हैं. Guys, we just finished our dinner, and we just ran back home. Ran back home, as in running back to our room, because इस रिजॉर्ट में ठंड जो है वो एक्स्ट्रा लग रही है एंड इट इज सो कोल्ड. कमरा ओह माय गॉड. हीट टेक जो है, हीट टेक की टेक्नोलॉजी है, वो टेक्नोलॉजी फेल हो रही है. It was freezing, my hands are freezing. Oh my god. Next day and कल रात को इतनी ठंड लगी थी. I swear to God, both Rohini and I we just jumped and just slept. इतनी ज़्यादा ठंड पकड़ गई थी मुझे. जनरली आज सुबह जब उठा था तब भी मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि शायद कहीं गला मेरा पकड़ ना गया हो, और नहीं मेरा गला शायद सोर हो समथिंग, बट एवरीथिंग इज ओके. तो हमने सोचा भाई पहले तो ब्रेकफास्ट करते हैं. सो लुक एट द ब्रेकफास्ट ऑफ चैम्पियंस गाइज. वी गॉट सम ऑमलेट्स, सॉसेजेस, बेकन, सम ब्रेड जो मैं छूँगा नहीं क्योंकि कल बहुत ज़्यादा बदपरहेज़ी कर दी थी. एंड ऑफ कोर्स ये होता है प्याला अमृत का. आर यू फाइंडिंग द ब्रेकफास्ट बेब?
Yummy. But my favorite is the Danish pastry.
Yeah.
I don't know why. In the morning with coffee, I need something sweet.
So guys, the one thing that we are most excited about is this spa, क्योंकि I think एक साल से ऊपर हो गया है that any of us have gone for any kind of a massage or anything. So this is something that both Rohini and I are looking forward to like anything.
Yeah, मेरे को याद है last time I think I went was maybe in Dubai. Remember on your birthday?
I think so. That was the last time. So guys, we've changed into our spa attires and time to take the steam first and then we start with the spa. Guys, so we just got done with our spa. As you can obviously see with my hair, I got full oil, everything done.
Let's do it.
And I got like a full deep tissue massage. Rohini went for like a
More
relaxing
relaxing
Balinese massage. Oh my god guys, मैं मजाक नहीं कर रहा. मेरी मसूस का नाम था चिम्मी, और चिम्मी ने जो तोड़ा है मेरे को, मैंने खासकर बोला था कि भैया मेरे को चाहिए लाइक हार्ड कोर, लाइक यू नो प्रॉपर, लाइक इट शुड बी, मतलब दम लगा करके मसाज होनी चाहिए, यू नो. एंड वो डीप टिश्यू मसाज वाज insane. I'm not
मेरी तो
joking.
आवाज़ ही नहीं निकल रही है because I'm so relaxed. I feel like just passing out. It was so good, yeah.
मेरा उल्टा हुआ है. I'm feeling so much more energetic now. Agar if you guys get a chance, do try out the Haley Spa. They're very good with their treatments. So guys, since the sun is out, let me just take you through what this property looks like. तो गाइज वी आर एक्सप्लोरिंग दिस अमेजिंग प्रॉपर्टी, और इतनी खूबसूरत जगह है. हम लोगों ने एक्चुअली जनरली बहुत अच्छी अच्छी पिक्चर्स खींची है. लेट मी शो यू अनदर एरिया. लुक एट दिस इज़ देयर जिम एरिया. छोटा सा है बट इट इज़ सो नाइस. आई मीन लाइक लुक एट दिस कवर. यहाँ पूरा वाटर बॉडी से कवर्ड होता है पूरा एरिया, एंड इट्स अ स्मॉल जिम बट अ फंक्शनल गुड जिम. एंड लुक एट दिस एंटायर एरिया गाइज. What a beautiful property within Delhi. Guys, right now what we are actually doing is we're doing a lot of photo shoots and stuff. तो मेरा क्या गोल होता है कि रोहिणी को ना थोड़ा सा ज़रा मूड में लेके आऊँ, give her like you know some kind of like an inclination कि okay you're like a stockbroker who has just made millions, you know, walk with that kind of confidence, you know. अच्छा.
Someone wants to be a stockbroker. I'm like a fashion designer. I would love to excel in that. You know what I
And
mean?
sometimes I'm like you're like a skin doctor who has like you know made millions like curing people's. She's like, I do not want to be any of these
I
things.
don't want to be a stockbroker or a skin doctor. I just want to be who I am.
Which is
And Rohini Mathur.
That's right. का नाम तो सुना ही होगा. Done with the day. And as usual, जैसे आप लोग हमको जानते ही हो, if the day is done, that means that we need to have coffee, right?
Yes.
So normally we would have gone over there. So the coffee shop is called Kian over there. But वहाँ पे obviously something is happening with a couple. So it's not shadi. I think it's like a reception or something. But congratulations to the couple, Shrishti and Ankit. That's the poster right there. So we will go to Chini and we will have a cup of coffee. Guys, we've got amazing coffee over here. And God, it's such a beautiful day actually, guys. यहाँ पे अभी इस ठंड में कॉफ़ी पीने का मज़ा ही कुछ और है. So good coffee means place is a win. So guys, that's it for our staycation here at the Rosette. बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आया. Rohini, how was your experience?
It was amazing.
And what was your
Yeah.
what was your best favorite part about the staycation?
Oh, the spa. Trust me, the massage. I haven't gotten a massage done in over 1 year.
1 year, yeah.
और क्या मजा आया. It was just too good.
I swear, guys, that's the main highlight for us. Definitely, we desperately needed a good massage. It really rejuvenated us. So thank you so much to Rosette for having us over. And I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed watching us enjoy here at the Rosette. And if you guys did, then please do hit the like button. Please do subscribe to us because Abix fam is Mamma Mia growing. Till then, guys, stay safe, stay sexy. God bless. Bye bye.